YouTube family, what is good, gang? I'd like to welcome each and every one of you guys right back to the channel. Thank you all once again for tuning in, checking out your boy. But before we get into this video, let's go ahead, if you haven't already, go ahead and sub to the channel, like this video, share it, do all the above so we can get this video out there. Y'all know I am on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Hopefully we can get that, excuse me, by the end of the year. Y'all going crazy on the subs, the videos going crazy. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys, because without you all, none of this would be possible. Hell, none of it would even exist. But as you guys can see in the caption of the video, I kind of want to do something different today. I want to bring you guys like an online haul, a few items that I just purchased online, and just get what you guys think about it. Normally I go to the store and show you guys these fits, but I just did some shopping online and bust the items open, and I'm just let you guys see them. Y'all comment down below and let me know what you think. So you guys, this collection from Ralph Lauren that I ended up purchasing, I knew nothing about. You guys may know more about it. It's called Modus collection. This was something I knew nothing about. I was just online shopping and seeing this. And I think Modus is basically it was like a bunch of patches combined together to make this shirt. And this right here is crazy. Like I got a set, and this set right here for me is probably like the set of the year for me off Ralph Lauren. Just the color combination and how it's put together, real nice. I haven't seen anything like that. Like I said, you guys know I've been shopping Ralph Lauren for I don't know how long. And maybe my first time just getting with the program. But this is crazy dope. And another thing that I got with it was these shorts to complete the set right here. And the shorts as well has like the patches on it. Crazy combination. Now once again, I was not familiar with the Modus line. Not only did I have to do my research, I even went to the store and researched that as well. Because once again, like I never knew that this right here was called Modus. Like I may have seen it once or twice, but this fit right here stood out to me. Like I say, once again, the colorway is crazy, and like the patches, they just come together like just to make this shirt just stood out so nicely. And it was crazy different. And I actually got this one from, I think, Saks Fifth, because I didn't see it on the Ralph Lauren site, so I had to actually get this from Saks Fifth. Now, sometimes I don't know how often y'all hit the Ralph Lauren site. Other stores, Saks Fifth Avenue, Nordstrom? Maybe Nordstrom. They'll have other Ralph Lauren stuff, and it's like for some reason it's not on the Ralph Lauren site. Like other stores that have it, and I don't know why. But after quick talking to them about that, they say sometimes they'll push other items out to other stores. But yeah, y'all, I'll show y'all this. Once again, this was crazy dope, along with the short set. And then let me show you guys the next Modus collection that we got. Now this piece right here, this hoodie, this is a part of the Modus collection as well. As you can see, the polo is going across. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all so y'all can see it a little better, because it kind of doesn't know justice. But it's kind of like the same plaid that was in this shirt right here. Same color. Yep, same color on here. And like Modus may be one of my new collections, but I don't know, I'm not gonna say that. Well, I will say that because I don't want to just go crazy because I purchased this, but I will say this collection right here is like nice. Now I seen, after buying this, purchasing it, I looked up other like Modus shirts and collections and stuff like that. They nice as well, but this right here, this fit right here, it just stood out. Now let me show you guys what I'll be combining, sneakers that I'll be rocking together with these outfits. So my sneakerheads, you guys tell me what sneakers in this box. Yep. These joints right here are the Travis Scotts. And I actually felt like I got this shoe just based upon the colors in this shirt, man. And like I'm not gonna lie, I went all out on these sneakers just to put some with this outfit, because I just knew that these would go crazy with this fit. So let me show you guys how this would look with the fit. Alright, y'all, let me know what you think about this. Comment down below, man, and let me know what y'all think about this fit, man. Is this something that's crazy or what? Because I felt like it may not get no better with the sneakers and the shoes that go with this. Like, this was dope. And I already took pictures in it as well. So normally I don't wear the outfits until I bust them open and let you guys see them. But this was actually my birthday outfit this year. Happy late birthday to me. But y'all I had to do this, y'all. So y'all make sure y'all please comment down below and let me know what y'all think about this fit. So I'm gonna move on to the next piece that I'm gonna show y'all what this is. All right, this is the hoodie right here. You can see. I have to zoom in for you guys to see it a little better. But same thing. Man, this was just crazy how they put this outfit together. And like I said, it was something definitely was gonna stand out. And what I might do with the bottoms, I don't know. I might do some cargo shorts or something. But this hoodie is not like a white, it's a tan. I don't know what color they call it on the tag. What color they call it? They call it white. It's definitely not white. It's like a tan, like a cream. So yes, y'all, once again, man, I want to switch it up and bring you guys like an online haul. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about each one of these pieces. What I should have done was, I'll leave that in the description. Copy and paste the links to all these items right here. Matter of fact, a few of these are on sale, so you can go ahead and get them if that's what you're looking for. So once again, man, thank y'all. Once again, I just can't say thank y'all enough. We're on our road we're on our way to 10,000 subs. Like I said, y'all have been going crazy. Like I said, if it's not for y'all, man, none of this would be possible. Drop the like or whatever, and I'm gonna keep bringing these videos out to y'all. And to the next video, man. Oh, before we get up out of here, y'all comment as well down below if there's like other stores that y'all want me to go to, other things y'all want me to try out. Y'all comment down below, man. Like my Instagram, if y'all need questions on something, hit my Instagram, that's Scotty_Nino. Get a tag on one of these sides, whichever this side or that side, whichever side I decide to drop it on. But yeah, man, y'all hit me up, let me know what y'all think. And to the next video, man, we out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl, just wanna. Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if